Let's just bypass all the usual hype for a minute. We're going to talk plainly about how decentralized networks actually function right under the hood.
If anyone can be a miner, how does Bitcoin decide who's in charge of the next block? The answer is proof of work.
Okay, let's dive into this. Proof of work is the underlying consensus mechanism that solves this exact governance mystery. Since there's no central bank, no CEO or board of directors pulling the strings here, the network really needs a completely foolproof way to agree on the true state of the ledger, all without actually needing to trust anyone.
Think of it like a massive, high-stakes global race. Every single miner on the network is actively competing to solve this incredibly complex computational puzzle. And it's not even about being the smartest, really. It's just about having the sheer computing power to guess the right answer the fastest. The first miner to win this puzzle race earns the exclusive right to add the next block of transactions to the chain. And naturally, they get rewarded for their effort.
Now, you might be sitting there wondering why this puzzle needs to be so intensely difficult in the first place. I mean, it requires massive computational effort, which, naturally leads to huge energy consumption. But in this system, that effort is actually a feature, not a bug. By forcing miners to expend real-world resources, stuff like electricity and really expensive hardware, the system ensures that acting maliciously is just incredibly costly. If someone wanted to, say, fake a transaction or completely hijack the network, they'd literally have to outspend the collective computing power of all the honest miners combined. It simply makes cheating totally, absolutely financially irrational.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core dynamic at play here. You've got this chaotic, super energy-intensive, and highly expensive work of mining going on, but the result of all that effort is just a simple mathematical proof. While it takes absolute mountains of power to actually find the solution, it takes the rest of the network mere milliseconds to verify that it's 100% correct.
Expensive to cheat, easy to verify. That's the genius of proof of work.